On today's episode of Fixing Mercedes, we're gonna have to deal with the rear seats. So the first thing we're gonna do is get a replacement motor. For this project, the motor, E-Torx 14, ratchet, a few socket extensions, a 10mm wrench, a Torx 30, some trim remover tools, and a bungee. For the bolts on the back, we're going to use an E14. For the next portion, we're going to remove the front of the seat. This comes off fairly easy. We remove these two screws here. Now, with the two front screws removed, we can lift the seat to this position. We're gonna need to hold it in place. So I got a bungee set up for this. Now we can proceed to remove the other two screws on the back. We have one more screw near the seat belt. There are screws, two in there, and this is the third one, the last one. Now the seat is completely loose. This should give us enough room to get the motor out. So we're just gonna pinch on this and this. Now the seat and the motor are completely disconnected. I'll push this cable to the side for the meantime. Now we can remove this entire assembly. Let's see if we can get the seat out of here. Now to separate the motor from the seat, you're gonna need a Torx 30 and hold the nut on the other end with a 10 millimeters. Now the motor just comes out. There is nothing else holding it in place. So you just slide it out and you get the new one in. Line it up with the new screw or the old screw. Okay, this is done. Let's put the seat back in place now. Alright, now that we put the seat in place, we're gonna put the screws back. Yet again, these are all the same size, so it should be easy if for any reason you mix them. Now we reconnect our wiring harnesses. Wireless, that's the new conjunction of both. Now we're going to release the bungee. And now, the moment of truth.
A great success!
We got the seat installed, tested, everything is working fine. Now it's time for us to put the plastics back. The plastics are funny, they just kind of slide down, so you gotta put it up, push it in place, and then it should slide down to where it needs to be.